peace, mercy and blessing of God. Before we start the video, don't forget to leave like and comment, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to get you all new. Samsung announced its flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S6, and it comes with a handful of improvements over its predecessor, which are not necessarily hardware related. The device is powered by the latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, coupled with either 6GB and 128GB or 8GB and 256GB of memory. Micro South Dakota card support is present as well if that's not enough. The tablet is built around a 10.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with 2560 pixel multiplied by 1600 pixel resolution, a productivity-friendly 16 by 10 aspect ratio. Multimedia isn't neglected too, as quad speakers tuned by AKG and Dolby Atmos make the whole movie watching experience complete. To our surprise, the tablet also carries not one but two cameras on its back. The main one is 13 megapixel, while the secondary unit 5 megapixel has ultra-wide 123-degree field of view. The front holds an 8 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. In fact, this is the first tablet with an ultra-wide-angle camera, at least according to Samsung. A 7040 mAh battery powers it all, while the S Pen holds a small 0.35 mAh charge, which is still enough for about 10 hours of operation. The best thing is that the stylus can charge in just 10 minutes spent in its own dock. Speaking of the S Pen, it can now work as a remote control for your multimedia player or when taking photos. Basically, it adopts the same functions as the S Pen on the Galaxy Note 9. Additionally, the Galaxy Tab S6 supports Samsung's DeX, which combined with the book cover keyboard, can turn into a PC for better productivity and multitasking. For security, Samsung has added an optical fingerprint reader under the screen, making the tablet one of the first, if not the first, in its category to adopt the tech. The device is available in mountain gray, cloud blue and rose blush colors, starting at $649 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage version, while the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant will go for $729. And in other news, when the third installment in the Nubia Red Magic series was announced, it grabbed all the headlines with its monster specs modest in price tag. As gaming phones are gaining more traction, Nubia aims to provide a top-notch solution for mobile gamers with its Red Magic 3. Even if you're not a hardcore gamer, this device still deserves your attention thanks to its packed spec sheet and affordable price. Some of its highlights include a built-in cooling fan, customizable back LED strip and 8K video recording. In addition, you're not compromising on performance as it comes with the flagship Snapdragon 855 and up to 12GB RAM. The display is a tall 6.65-inch AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and stereo speakers, making it ideal for content consumption. Sure, the Red Magic 3's design won't appeal to everyone with its sharp lines and flashy aesthetic, but its build is quite solid, thanks to the aluminum construction. If you value additional gaming conveniences, then the Red Magic 3 has you covered. It has a dedicated hardware switch on the top left side which triggers Nubia's Game Space UI, giving you quick access to all your games. While you're there, you can also customize the setting for specific titles, as well as control the cooling fan. The phone also comes with capacitive shoulder triggers which come really handy in shooter games. Ensuring uninterrupted gaming sessions is 5000 mAh battery with quick charge 4+ support. It's also worth noting that the phone runs on Red Magic OS 2.0 on top of Android 9 Pie, which is a quite fluid experience thanks to its stock-like nature.